Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. A cultural expert said global negotiation must be completed before Nomcebo Zuma could be considered King Mswati III's fiance, you guys. Now, former President Zuma's daughter made her first appearance on the 15th of July 2024 along with the king's other wives at the opening of an 50 million chicken project in Eswatini. According to Swaziland News, the king sent a delegation to KwaZulu-Natal to present 10 cattle to the Zuma family as per Kucela customary practice, which makes the prospective groom's intentions to the woman's family known, you guys. Sunday World reports and alleged that King Mswati was expected to pay over 2 million rands and 100 heads of cattle as amalobola for the 21-year-old. You guys, now Dr. Mafika Lubisi allegedly told a news outlet called Briefly News that once amalobola conclude, former President Jacob Zuma's daughter would, as Lipovela, undergo an initiation process. An intense orientation to the royal family protocols, including but limited to checking if there are any spirits associated with the wife-to-be. Lubisi said that once the orientation was completed, the future wife would be ready for Umhlanga Reed dance, which was a celebration observed for the Queen Mother. The king also uses that occasion to introduce his fiancée Lipovela as a new wife to the nation. Now, social media users were questioned rather why the king would opt to pay such a steep bride price instead of using the money to assist some of his subjects. Someone wrote, paying 2 million for Lobola while his citizens are struggling with basics. What a king. And then Kolani said, if this is true, does it make sense from that poor kingdom of Africa? And then Asante pointed out 2 million is good. Every woman's worth is 21 and very educated. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please, of course, do share them with me in the comments section. Of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Guys, thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. Bye.